This is how the algorithm on social media works. When you first publish content, it gets distributed to 20% of your followers and to a portion of people who are not your followers, but whose interests align with the content. Then, the algorithm measures two things: watch time and engagement. If a person spends time watching the content, it gets pushed to more people with similar interests. Otherwise, if the content doesn't grab the viewer's attention, it gets no boost. Also, if a person shares, saves, comments on, or likes the published content, the algorithm pushes the content to more viewers, resulting in more reach and engagement from a broader audience.